Today we are going to be taking the letter and word recognition test. And I'll ask you to do some reading and just do the best you can. So start with this word right here. What's this word?
Blossom.
Okay. Next.
Lit.
Next.
Conductor.
Next.
Garbage.
Next.
Mutilated.
Okay.
Ceremony.
Okay. Okay, start right here and go across.
Acceptable.
Okay.
Resign. Swap.
Okay.
Revolutionary.
Okay.
Gigantic.
Okay.
Elegant.
Okay. Okay. Again, start at the top and go across.
Limousine. Limousine. I pronounce it like that.
Okay.
Archaeologist.
Okay.
Kerosene.
Okay.
Alibi.
Okay.
Monastery.
Okay.
Quarantine.
Okay. Okay. What words are these?
Retaliation. Demerit.
Okay.
Famine.
Okay.
Juxtaposition.
Okay.
Morose.
Okay.
President.
Okay. Good. Okay. What about these?
Malleable. Chivalry.
Okay.
Obliqueness.
Okay.
Hourly.
Okay. It's okay.
Foresight.
Okay.
Unleash.
Okay.
Coerce.
Okay. And one more.
Disheveled.
Okay. Okay. Now we're going to take a math computation test. Just give me a second to get to my spot. Are you good at math? Do you like math? Okay, so I'm going to ask you to do some math. I'm going to get to your right grade level. You're in 8th grade, correct? I'm going to give you a piece of paper and a pencil, and you can use this to solve any of the problems that I give you. And we're going to start with, okay, so you can use the paper and pencil to work the problems. So here's your first one. Here are 7 elephants. Some more elephants join them, so there are 12 altogether. How many elephants joined them?
5.
Okay. Michael delivers groceries for the local supermarket. One day, he delivered 5 bags to Miss Brown, 9 bags to Mr. Gomez, and 4 bags to Mr. Tran. How many bags did he deliver that day?
18.
Okay. Juana counted all the boxes of pencils in the supply room. There were 7 full boxes. If each box holds 100 pencils, how many pencils are there altogether?
700.
Okay. 3 children wanted to get pet the rabbits. They divided all the rabbits equally among themselves. How many rabbits did each child get to pet?
Okay, say it again.
3 children wanted to pet the rabbits. They divided all the rabbits equally among themselves. How many rabbits did each child get to pet?
Is it in the picture?
Yes.
Can I just count? 4.
Okay. Here are some coins. If you need exactly 65 cents, which of these coins would you use?
2 quarters, a dime, and a nickel.
Okay. And how much are these coins worth altogether?
85 cents.
Okay. How many paper clips together would it take to go all the way around the envelope? 1/2 of all the sheep. Touch them with your fingers. This elephant weighs 650 pounds, and this one weighs 550 pounds. How many more pounds does the bigger one weigh than the smaller one?
100.
Okay. The zoo has 2 times as many lions as goats. The zoo has 5 goats. How many lions does the zoo have?
10.
Okay. Michael bought 2 tickets for 20 cents each. How much change did he get from $1?
60 cents.
Okay. Now use your paper and pencil to show me what you did to get that answer. Michael bought 2 tickets for 20 cents each. How much change did he get from $1? Okay. Okay, so you showed 100 minus and then 2 times 20, and you got X. Okay, good. Okay, 51. The Silver Streak, Silver Streak, leaves New York at 8 a.m. and arrives in Baltimore the same day at the time shown on the chart. How much time does the trip take?
3 hours and 15 minutes.
Okay. Use your paper and pencil to show me how to check this problem using addition. Well, as long as you are checking the problem using addition.
I know how to do addition, but if I were to say 83 plus negative 36, that's technically addition? Or is it still subtraction because it's negative number?
Well, if you could do it another way that didn't involve negative numbers, that'd probably be better. Very good, okay. Now, if you want to tell me about your negative numbers, your way of the negative numbers, that's fine. Because you already have 36 plus 47 equals 83. So now you show negative 36 plus 83 equals 47. Okay, cool. Okay, 53. What fraction of this shape is shaded?
3/4.
Which digit is in the hundred thousands place?
2.
Okay. There were 80 people at a seal show. They all fit into 4 rows of seats. If an equal number of people sat in each row, how many were in each row?
20.
You're doing good. We're almost done. A family has completed 2/5 of a trip. What fraction of the trip remains?
3/5.
Okay. Round this number to the nearest 10. Okay, 9,070. Good. Here are 13 shapes. If Jason closes his eyes and picks one, what is the probability that he will choose a circle?
13 shapes?
Yes, sir.
3 and 13 shapes.
Okay, good job. Which of these fractions is the largest in value?
3/4.
Okay. 37 equals 2 tens and how many ones?
17 ones.
Okay. Here's a sign for the seal shows. If the show starting at 2 p.m. ends at 2:45 p.m., How much time is there before the beginning of the next show?
Wait, what?
Here is a sign for the seal show. If the show is starting at 2 p.m. and ends at 2:45 p.m., how much time is there before the beginning of the next show?
45 minutes.
Okay. How many inches long is this pencil?
3.
Okay. This graph shows the high temperatures for the first 10 days of August. What was the difference in temperature between the hottest day and the coolest day?
8 degrees.
Okay. How many feet are in 2 yards?
6 feet.
Okay, good. There are 67 children in the 4th grade at Applewood School. If only 8 children can sit around the lunchroom table, how many tables will be needed when the 4th grade goes to lunch?
9.
Okay. How many degrees are in the angle marked with the X?
60.
Okay, good. Shauna got these 4 grades on math quizzes that she took this week. So here's her grades. What was her average math quiz grade?
An 8.
Okay, good. This grid shows 100 boxes with 10 boxes in each row. What is the decimal that represents how much of the grid is shaded?
0.4. 0.46.
0.46 is your answer? Okay. Use your paper and pencil to show me how to check this problem using division. Right. Good job. 53 divided by 2,545. Okay, round this number to the nearest thousandths. .615, correct? Rectangle ABCD is shown here. What is the length of side CD?
Do I put it like order period? Do I say order period?
No, a whole number is fine because it's just what is the length of side CD? I'm sorry?
3.
3? Okay. Now, what are the coordinates of point A?
-2, -1.
Okay, good. Okay, which of these numbers are prime numbers?
7.
Any more?
11.
Okay, great. Good job. What is the decimal equivalent of 3/5?
0.6.
Okay. The volume of this rectangular prism is 70 cubic centimeters. What is the area of the shaded side?
7.
Okay, 7.
Oops. Well, the area of the shade side. Like actually,
The volume of this rectangular prism is 70 cubic centimeters. What is the area of the shaded
it's
side?
10.
Good job.
But you meant find the width.
Okay. Which of these numbers is the greatest in value?
0.41.
Okay. Almost done. You're doing great. How many people can share 4 bags of popcorn if each person gets 2/3 of a bag?
Six people.
Okay, good. 78. The Smallville Tigers baseball team played 80 games last year. They won 16 of them. What percentage of their games did they win? Okay, in percentage form, what is the percentage?
20%.
Okay, good job. Okay. What is the value of y? Okay, good. What is the slope of the line that connects the points 6, 13, and 1, 3?
Two.
Right. Okay. What is the circumference of this circle in terms of pi?
You start. 18.84.
Okay. Now use your paper and pencil to write an equation that would allow you to solve the following problem. Armand is taking orders for 2 kinds of pizza. There are 6 more orders for pepperoni pizzas than there are for cheese pizzas. If 16 pizzas are ordered altogether, how many cheese pizzas are ordered? And you can let X represent the number of cheese pizzas ordered. Okay, your answer is
X plus 6 equals 16.
very good. Correct. Okay. What is the distance between the points 7, 4 and 10, 1?
Three. Oh.
Okay. And what is the first derivative of this expression? first derivative of this expression? Okay, just a few more, okay? A bag contains 5 marbles. 3 of them are red and 2 are green. The first student chooses a marble without looking into the bag, then puts it back. The second student picks the same thing. What is the probability that both students pick a green marble?
So they put it back in the bag?
A bag contains 5 marbles. 3 of them are red and 2 are green. The first student chooses a marble without looking into the bag and then puts it back. The second student does the same thing. What is the probability that both students pick a green marble?
4/25 chance.
Okay, good. Okay, 2 more. Solve this problem. Okay, that's okay. And one more, this is the last one. What is the tangent of 30 degrees?
330.
330? Okay. Okay, great. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You did a great job. Okay, stop.